You're watching The Alchemy Kitchen, and this is Kitchen Hacks, a series on things to make your life easier in the kitchen. Alright, for the first video, and these are all going to be very short videos showing hacks of just making things easier in the kitchen. This is one of the more recent ones I've discovered, and probably one of the best ones I've discovered, and that's how to peel garlic quickly, because I love garlic and I hate peeling it. So there's a lot of methods and different suggestions on ways to make it a faster process. I've tried, I think, all of them, just about. This is hands down the easiest way. You're not going to need any special tools for this, just a kitchen knife or anything flat. A cutting board will do it. Just take a clove of garlic, give it a smash, and peel that skin off in seconds. I have yet to find a faster way to do that. If you know of a way, let me know in the comments below. Alright, some other methods I've seen. When I worked in an Italian kitchen, what we would do is soak all the cloves of garlic in water. Let them soak. That takes time. They've got to soak for a good 10 minutes for it to even make a little bit of difference. And you can soak them for hours. It doesn't make a huge difference. It's still a time-consuming, boring process. I've seen other methods. People say put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. You're just steaming the garlic. No thanks. Another method is put it in a glass jar and just shake it. And they'll say, oh, you can do a whole clove of garlic in like 20 seconds. It takes way longer than that. And I mean, I'm sure you know some garlic just is easier to peel than others. So even the most stubborn, which this was, I peeled a couple pieces just the normal by hand method. This was a really stubborn one. But as you saw that method, you do it in seconds. Hands down the best one. I mean, I even saw, I didn't watch it, but I saw a video suggesting using like a hand drill, and yeah. I prefer methods where I don't have to get something out of my workshop and just use what I have in the kitchen. Or, you know, even if I'm camping, I can just take a rock and, you know, it's a very simple method, works great. I'll be doing more of these. This is a series I'll be putting a playlist. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you have any kitchen hacks to suggest or for me to try to debunk. I'm up for that. Put it in the comments. Till next time.